Okay, so we're going to look at how to remove the tripod, or in this case, the person and the tripod, out of the bottom of the image. The first thing we need to do is go up to Image and rotate the canvas 180 degrees. So we're going to flip it upside down. Then go to Filter, Distort, Polar Coordinates. Now I'm just going to minimize so we can see what it's doing, see the whole picture. We actually want to start with rectangular to polar. So what that does is brings the tripod and the person to the middle of the screen. Click OK. Now I'm going to zoom in, so the magnifying glass. Perfect. And now I'm going to use this great tool here and click and hold to make sure you collect it, the Spot Healing Brush tool. And this thing is incredible. All we do is just draw around what you want removed. Now this works best if everything around your object is the same. So in this case, the concrete, the bitumen, whatever it is, when I let go of the mouse, it'll do a pretty good job of getting rid of everything in there. Now I just must have missed a bit on the inside, so we can just do it again over that little section there, and it'll tidy that up. So that's all there is to it. You can, if you can see that there's a little bit here of areas you can tell. Generally people aren't going to be watching the bottom of the 360 image. They'll be looking around because generally there's nothing below you. But if you are particularly want to clean it up, the clone stamp tool is a good one. Make sure you've got a nice brush size. You have to click Alt first on your keyboard, push it down, and select the piece that you're going to copy. So I'm going to select there, and then you can see it's just going to paint that over the top. Now I'm using a very soft brush so that you don't get an exact circle, so it's very blurry around the edges. And you can do it again, click Alt. We'll just get that line there, just selecting different parts of the screen to copy. So that's done a pretty good job. We'll zoom out and have a look. And just going to history. Oh, I've done so much clone stamping. You'll be able to see here the difference. So from that to that, pretty good. Now we need to do the opposite to what we did before. So filter, distort, polar coordinates. And this time we're going to select the other one, polar to rectangular. Then I'll flip it back upside down. And then we need to rotate it back to normal. And there we go. Save that file. I'm not going to save it. But you just save the file over the top and then use that image in the Google Tool Creator, and you will have removed that tripod and person out of the bottom. That's how easy it is.